Hello students, welcome to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Have you ever stopped and wondered, is paper bag made of trees or made from trees? Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing, those little words of and from actually changes the meaning. And if you want to sound natural in English, you've got to know when to use each one. Today, we are going to unlock this grammar puzzle together. So here's the deal. Made of and made from both talk about materials, but they don't mean the same thing. Let's start with made of. When we say something is made of a material, it means the material is still clearly visible. The object keeps the identity of that material. For example, this ring is made of gold. You can see it's gold. The material hasn't changed. Another one, this table is made of wood. Yep, still looks like wood. And a wall is made of bricks. You can touch and see the bricks. If you can still recognize the material, use made of. Now, made from is different. We use it when the material has been transformed into something else. For example, paper is made from trees. The tree doesn't look like a tree anymore. It's pulp, processed, and changed. Plastic bottles are made from oil. Again, huge chemical transformation. Bread is made from flour. You don't see flour anymore. It became bread. If the material completely changes, it's made from. Okay, it's quiz time. Let's try together. And don't forget, if the material is recognizable, made of. If the material has transformed, made from. A chair is made wood. Made of wood or made from wood? The answer is made of wood. You can still clearly see it's wood. Here's another one. Wine is made grapes. What do you think? Made of or made from? The answer is made from grapes. The grapes don't look like grapes anymore. They have transformed into wine. Try this one. Cheese is made milk. Made of or made from? Made from milk. The milk changes completely into cheese. A sculpture is made marble. What do you think? Made of or made from? The answer is made of marble. You can still see and recognize the marble. Here's the last one. Juice is made oranges. What's your answer? Write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe and join me for more lessons like this. See you in the next one.